Are your Windows Media Audio SDK runtime apps crashing due to the Wmaudsdk SDK Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To start the walkthrough for Wmaudsdk SDK Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Wmaudsdk SDK Library, the Windows Media Audio SDK Library. It provides the localized unmanaged routines for encoding and decoding high-compression WMA audio bitstreams. It manages localized psychoacoustic modeling and variable bitrate (VBR) management for media center software and rippers. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Wmaudsdk is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Wmaudsdk SDK library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Remember that manual replacement of Wmaudsdk SDK Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Wmaudsdk SDK Library. If you've regained access to Wmaudsdk SDK Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.